Alexander Tisurman, and ang ating next na lalaroin ngayon ay Horror Hospital. So, bago tayo magsimula, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, let's go! So, eto na guys. Play. Okay. So, ito yung beginning. Yan. Chapter 1, Hospital Horror. So, player 1 lang tayo. So, wait na lang tayo ng ilang segundo. Let's wait. So, ito na yung face reveal ko. So, ayan na yung face ko. So, subscribe nyo to kung pogi ba ako or gwapo, ganon. And like nyo to kung pangit ako. Okay. Horror Hospital, where your nightmares begin. Okay. So, ang task natin dito ay bawal matakot, bawal sumigaw, at bawal umalis sa pwesto. Okay, so, ayan na, start na. Okay. Find the key to unlock the door. Key. Ito. So, nahanap na natin yung key. Lock. Open the door. Okay. I will find you. No, you can't find me. Cafeteria. Explore the hospital. Okay. Okay. So, ito yung room 1. Open. Uy! Ano ka? Ayoko dun. Creepy. Ito. Ayun. Okay. Wala namang dito. Wala namang something. So, na-explore na natin siya. Explore cafeteria or explore hospital. O, exit. Ito na exit. Ano yun? Naririnig ako. Oops. Meron dito something. Sabi na eh. So, may key na naman tayo ditong nahanap. Susi ulit. Okay. Hello. Ito. Is hall. Ito. Ito yung key. Ito ba yun? Ayaw nga. Then, parang napakalawak naman natin itong hospital na to. Okay. Wala sa likod. Ano nga hanapin natin dito? Puro susi. Behind you. Behind you. Meron dito. Office. Uy. Yun. Yun. Ano yun? Lock. Saan kaya natin mahanap yung susi? Ito. Item. Pick up. Ano to? Pwede ba to dito sa office? Palikot na lang. Ikalikot na lang natin. O yung nga. Pwede nga. Find a lockpick in the room. So, meron pa isa ditong lockpick. Wala dito. Wala dito sa office. Find a lockpick in the room. Saang room? Camera room? Ito. Okay. Room. Wala dito. Wala naman dito. lockpick in the room. Kailangang lockpick. Walang lockpick dito. Wala. Dito. Wala. Keycard. Ito tayong keycard. May secret dito. I think this is a boring game. So, let's proceed to the next. Next naman tayo, guys. Wala tayo mahanap eh. Horror Hospital. Next. Late Night Ramen, meron na. Field Trip Z. Scary Shawarma Chaos. Itong Scary Shawarma Chaos, bukas pa natin gagawin to. Sabado, 6 PM ng gabi. Escape Papa Pizzas. Movie Mission. Hindi. Stranger Things. Burger Shack. Kidnapper, ito na lang. Filipino horror game to ata. He is near you. Kidnapper. Next. Yoko nito. Peta level 9. Freddy. Midnight Hotel. Ito, Midnight Hotel. Horror. Play. Pangit tong larong ko ah. Di ko na enjoy yung yung first na laro natin. Masyadong pangit. Wala naman mga treasures. Walang mahanap na kahit ano. Ang lala nito. Okay. Layer 1. Waiting for players. So, lag pa lang tayo. Lag. So, lag. Player 2. Bro. Sabi mo player 1. Yan. Hindi ko kailangan ng kasama. Puro matataas na dito. Walang 1. Tantay na. Wala papasok dito sa akin ha. Okay. 5 4 3 2 1 and then boom. Boom na agad. So may nakasama tayong stranger. Yung mga strangers. Waiting for players. Boom. Nandito to. Bawal dito yan. Di naman sa kanya to, diba? Di naman sa kanya. Hello? Yan. Okay. Waiting for players. Naglalagata itong kasama ko. Hello. Huwag kang susugo. So, habang naghihintay tayo, kwentuhan ko muna kayo. So, bukas, Sabado, alas 6 ng gabi, meron tayong Scary Shawarma Chaos. Yun gagawin natin. Scary Shawarma Chaos. And upload siya sa bukas. Or hindi, sa linggo. Yun. Okay, so, ito na. Lang nga, may nag-chat na. Waiting for players. Bro. Hey. Pipindutin dito ba't wala? Play. 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 Tayo mag-play. Angit nito, ayoko nito. Tagal. Tagal eh. Paranormal. Kidnapper. Easter Christmas. The Sleepover Experience. Ito na lang. The Sleepover Experience. Low. Habang naghihintay tayo, wait lang guys. Bro. Ano ito pinagsasabi ng mga kaibigan ko? Okay. Play agad. So, i-upload. So, meron pa tayong isang channel at ito yung Alexander Vlogs. So, ito yun. Ay, hindi. Nandito pala. Nandyan yung Alexander Vlogs natin. Ilalagay ko dyan sa may baba. Subscribe na rin kayo dyan, guys, ah. Okay. Isa na agad. But, it's gameplay, folks. Let's head inside. I'll show you our... something pa dito? Okay, so wala pa. Object. Follow your friend. Follow your friend. Post nga. Gameplay post nga ako eh. Gameplay post. This is the living room. Para makapunta dyan. Okay. Wow, it's so... and this is the kitchen. Ang lag. Tagal mo. Uy. Tumpayin kita dyan eh. Sana siya.
Normally have let's head inside, I'll show you. And this is the kitchen. Normally have let's head inside, I'll show you. And this is the kitchen. You made it. This is the living room. Anyways, let's continue. This is where my huge TV is. This is where my huge TV is.
So, wakas nakita din kita.
Hey friends.
Sorry guys, naglalag lang ako.
Hey friends.
Sumay na lang wifi.
This is the bedroom, but we shouldn't touch anything here.
This is the bed.
This is the bedroom, but we shouldn't touch anything
But
here.
we should...
Let's continue. Let's continue.
Huwag mo nakamo kung ano dito, score. Alam ko na dito.
And finally,
Pinasok
this
ko
is
na
our
kanina.
bedroom. And finally, this is our bedroom.
Ah, dito. Dito ako. Dito ako. Tapos kunin ko tong duckling na to. Kunin ko tong duckling ha. Dito ako, sa dulo. Hindi ako
Could
malapit
you
sa
help me
pinto
find
eh.
all the toys?
Could you help me find
all the toys?
Bro,
I think they're scattered across the house.
I think there's
I think they're scattered across the house.
The house, yun. Find the misplaced toys. 8 lahat yun. siguro. Ito, master's bedroom to siguro. Sigurado ako, master's bedroom yan. Golden toy soldier. Last one. Isa pa. Isa pa, guys. Yun. Lapit lang. 7. Pick up. Okay. Done.
Great.
Meron ka pa pang kain.
Toy box upstairs. Now let's put them back into the toy box upstairs.
Toy box. Yeah. Return misplaced toys to the box. Need yun lahat. Mhm. Tumabay ka dyan! Lapit na. Last one na lang, guys. Last one. Okay. Okay na, ha? Wala pa ng problema dito, ha?
I have a new idea. We should try to see if there's anything interesting on the TV. We should try to see if there's anything interesting on the TV.
Let's go. Talon lang ako dito. Turn on. Nautusan pa nga.
Breaking news. A dangerous uncle was spotted in the area. Breaking news. A dangerous uncle was
Ano
spotted
to?
in the area.
Ba't ganyan
Reportedly
mukha mo?
kidnaps children and they aren't seen again. He reportedly kidnaps children and they aren't seen again. Be sure to stay inside and stay cautious. Be sure to stay inside and stay cautious. Stay safe, everyone.
Bro.
Stay safe, everyone.
Okay.
That person looked familiar.
Wala na. Signal na.
That person looked familiar.
Wala na na signal.
Whatever, it's probably nothing to worry about. Whatever, it's probably nothing to worry about.
Nawalan na siya ng signal. Paano
Now,
yan?
how about we build a pillow fort? Now, how about we build a pillow fort?
Now, how about we build a philo fort? 45! Nautusan pa nga. Build. 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 Lahat yun, ah. Lahat na yan. 45. Commute lang, guys. Ayaw na mag-build. Wee. Bro. Tabunan na ako. Object. 31. 33. 34. 35. Okay. Done. Done na. Pwede na ako dito matulog. Look. Pumatay ilaw.
Oh no, did the power
Prepare. Yun. Pangit yun na. Sarap to. Hindi na.
I have a great idea. Let's play hide and seek. I have a great idea. Let's play hide and seek.
Seek.
I will hide and you will have to find me. I
Ako
will
yung
hide and
seeker.
you will have to find me. Let's do 4 rounds.
4 rounds.
4 rounds. Are you ready? Then close your eyes. Are you
Okay,
ready?
close your
Then
eyes.
close your eyes.
Okay, close na siya. Okay, hanapin na natin. Kaya. Find where is hiding. Saan na yun? Siguro sa garage. Dito. Sabi na eh.
Oh, you found me. Good job. Oh, you found me. Good job.
Nice, nice.
Now try to find me again.
Beer guys, okay.
Now try to find me again.
Okay, round 2. Round 2 na. Dito sa kitchen. Wala. Wala din sa labas, syempre. Wala din yan. Wala din dito. Sa master's bedroom. Open, open. Please, hanapin natin. Uy, ano pa to? Baka dito ulit ha. Sa likod ha. Hirap hanapin. Hide and seek eh. Hide and seek. Saan na yun? Baka sa likod yun. Baka nandito. Ayun oh. Okay. Oh. Ang layo naman. Layo naman ito. Kung hindi sa loob ng bahay,
Oh,
sa
you found
labas.
me. Good job. Oh,
Now
you
try
found
to
me.
find
Good
me
job.
Round
Now try
3.
to find me again.
Round 3 naman. Find where friend is hiding. Taas. Wala din dito. Dito na yan sa kitchen. Grado na yan. Wala. Siguro sa round 4 siya na magtatago dyan. Wala na ba yung blue mark? Yung blue mark. Master's bedroom. Ayun oh. Yun oh, nakikita ko na yung blue. Siguro nandito yung mali. Scary face. Friend, find.
Oh, you found me. Good job.
Hanap ulit.
Oh, you found me. Good
Easy
job.
to win.
Now try to find me again.
Round
Now try to find me again.
4. Round 4 na guys. Okay. Try na ulit natin sa kitchen. Ano na siya. 100% siguro dito na yun. Ayun nga oh. Ayun oh. Naging Spider-Man. Yun oh. Yun oh. Oh, dito. Spider-Man siya dito.
Oh, you
Taas ng
found me.
rep.
Good job. Oh, you
Pag
found
nasira,
it. Good
bayaran mo
job.
yun.
I think that's enough. Let's do something else. I think that's
Ano naman
enough.
gagawin
Let's
natin
do
next?
something else.
Whee! Oops. Natawag.
The call.
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 Who's calling at this hour?
Who's calling at this call?
Who's calling at this hour?
Answer the phone with friend.
Who is this?
No. Who is this?
Who is this?
I am
Uncle,
coming
is
to
it
visit.
you?
I will be there. I am
Uncle,
coming to
is it
visit.
you?
I will be there soon.
be there soon.
Oh no, I think Uncle's coming home. Oh no, I think Uncle's coming home.
Ano yan?
You guys should probably hide upstairs. You guys should probably hide upstairs.
Hide before uncle arrives. Arrives. Okay. Dito sa dulo. Ito. Ganda dito. Okay. Check na tayo dyan, guys. Go. Hindi na tayo mahanap yan. O yun na nga.
Uncle, what are you doing here? Uncle, what are you doing here?
Ako.
Hey, Jake. Hey, Jake.
Are you alone?
Are you alone? Are your parents away? Did you bring over friends?
Did you bring over friends? I
I heard
hear
some
some other voices.
No, I'm alone. No, I'm alone.
All right, then come with me.
Why? Why?
Just come with me, Jake. Just come with me, Jake.
But I don't want to. But I don't want to.
You don't have a choice. You don't have a choice.
Kinuha! Ay, sa kaya tayo dito. Kailangan ng tulong ng kaibigan natin. We have to find Jake and help him. Find out where Jake has taken or flee. Ooh. Abandon Jake. Abandon Jake. Ending. You were too scared, so you ran away. Abandoning Jake. Like for part 2. Yun na yun. Okay, yun na yun. So, salamat sa panonood and don't forget to like and subscribe. So, that's it. Bye-bye!